Should you outsource or DIY in-house the SEO work within your company or organization? Now, before I get into that, which is probably a brewing question within your mind, so Google rolls out their algorithm update every few weeks, in fact, every few days these days. So my question to you is your team actually spending going at extra miles to test out what works and what doesn't work? So that brings me back to the main question that we have initially in terms of should you outsource or do it in-house? You see, I travel around the world a lot to meet up and consult a lot of businesses from all sorts of industries. And even for big organizations where they have in-house team that just focuses on SEO, they do consult with me as well, because you got to understand this. Like, if you have a team within your organization, then let me ask you this: are they doing a good job when it comes to tracking and learning about the latest and greatest when it comes to SEO? If not, then I highly suggest that you watch the rest of this video to understand the nuts and bolts about SEO. Okay? Now, for someone who is really, really good when it comes to SEO, do you think they're going to work for you? And if you compare it with, say for example, you compare like an organization or an agency who specialize solely on SEO compared to a graduates, or say for example you have a team, do you think that they're going to spend their own hard-earned money to test the latest and what's working and what's not working and implement it on your website? I highly doubt so, because they're not getting extra pay for it, they're just doing their job. So in essence, SEO is one of those very niche skill set where it's better for you to outsource in a way, because I've consulted a lot of big organizations to SMEs from all over the world, and the bigger they are, even though they have an in-house team, they will still outsource, because you cannot beat an SEO specialist who basically spend their entire time investigating into their R&D when it comes to what's the latest and what's working, what's not working in the SEO world. Okay, the point I'm trying to get is that sometimes if you think about it as from a specialist, a surgeon perspective, would you go to a general doctor to do an operation on your heart? Hell no, right? I would never risk my life on that. You go to a specialist, a heart surgeon, right? So same goes for this SEO, right? SEO is one of those niche skill set where you need to go to the specialist. And in fact, I don't mind telling you that a lot of agencies, a lot of the so-called digital agencies out there, when it comes to SEO, they actually outsource their work to us, okay? And it's obvious, right? They don't have that expertise in-house. In fact, if you ask yourself, why should an expert work for you, right? For an average salary, if they're really good at what they do, they will come out and consult with businesses directly. They won't be working for you. Okay, so you got to be careful when it comes to that. You got to watch out for so-called SEO specialists that they know a lot of theories but no actual results. Okay, so once again, if you like what you're seeing at this point in time, please share and like this video, comment below, ask any questions that you want. I'll personally go through them. Okay, and like I said, subscribe to it, and I'll be sharing a lot more of the tips and tricks that you may or may not have heard about. Okay, so it'll be good to know about that, right? So once again, thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in another one.